Hello and welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota. Today we are going to be taking a look at a brand new 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross L front-wheel drive, finished in windshield pearl metallic. Starting off with the front here, we've got our LED headlights and our block heater down in the valance of the lower front bumper. On the side here, we've got our 17-inch steel wheels with the hubcaps over top. We've also got heated mirrors on both sides. Got our Corolla Cross embossment up there. Corolla Cross badging on the back next to our backup camera. Under the hood of the Corolla Cross, we get a 2-liter 4-cylinder DOHC 16-valve engine, giving us 169 horsepower, 151 feet-pound of torque, delivered by a continuously variable automatic transmission. On the interior, we've got the whole thing finished in soft gray cloth. Plenty of storage in our door pockets there. All of our window controls and child locks. Our all-weather mats for those harsh Albertan winters, our auto beam headlights and traction control. And there are those cozy cloth seating with our manual seat adjustments. Coming in here, we've got our manual key to start the car. Got all of our audio controls on this side. All of our driving assists on this side here. We also get this infotainment screen with a backup cam compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. All of our cabin air controls here. And our heated seats for the front occupants below, as well as our auto off engine function. Got a USB-C charging port there, our electronic e-brake. We open up the center console and we get a 12-volt outlet and another USB charging port. All of our cabin lighting controls and our SOS button up there. Coming along to the back here, we've also got 2 more vents coming out of the rear center console for the rear occupants. Water bottle storage in each of the rear doors as well. And inside of the trunk here, this person did opt in for the rear seat protectors and cargo mat, which come at an additional charge. We've got our front plate cover for the car that comes with it, as well as the soft cloth mats for the summertime. And that has been the 2026 Corolla Cross L front-wheel drive, finished in windshield pearl white. And as always, life is full of choices. Let us be yours.